We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys, this is kind of like my breakfast for today. Okay, and it's actually about 12 something. So, I got 2 things of water. I got me some oatmeal here and my multivitamins. And this is what I'm cooking. I'm cooking some potatoes. Y'all can't see it because it's foggy. But it's potatoes in there. And I'm just gonna chill. Okay, so yeah. I need New Orleans, but that's what I'm eating for breakfast, okay? And then I'm just gonna chill, I'm gonna get dressed, I'm gonna do some stuff, and I'm gonna get back to you. I just wanted to kind of like chime in. So this is, excuse me, my shoes. I just changed my shoes, but I have been committed to my diet. So this is what I look like for now until I actually start changing anything. I'll let you guys know, but my legs are getting bigger. My legs are like mostly what I'm focusing on. From time to time I'll hit my abs up, but I'm kind of indecisive about I'm a little indecisive about having like really defined abs, but for the most part I think mostly I do want really defined abs. I'm just waiting. Basically I'm kind of studying like what workout strategy to use to get the most beneficial results, like the most effective results. So yeah, but right now we working on them legs, okay? We're working on them legs. Oh, I have a project that I'm gonna be doing, and I'm gonna try my hardest, y'all. I'm really gonna try my hardest to record this, but I have a project that I'm gonna be doing, and I'm going to be wrapping the hot glue. I just bought my hot glue gun. This is my first hot glue ever. Hopefully it lasts. But whew, my feet. I got rope that I'm gonna be hot gluing. I'm gonna be making an ottoman. And you guys, if y'all want to see the finished thing, then y'all could just make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel, and that video will be up soon.